Alright, y'all, back on my budget-friendly series. Them chickpeas, y'all. Get close into them. $125 a can, so that's $2.50. That's 65 cents for tomato sauce. I want to say about $1.30 for the okra. 3 potatoes. And I paid $5 for this pack of chicken legs. Yeah. One of them meals under $10 again, and we got some jasmine rice, y'all. Just finna show you what's going on. Watch me work. All right, y'all. One of the first things I like to do, I put some curry and some turmeric in here first, and then after I let that brown off, I like to go on and put my okra in so I can pour all that slime out, and it conducts itself as a thickener at the end of the recipe, y'all. Watch me work. Alright, y'all, I done let that okra work for a little while. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm talking about. You see? All that slime. Oh, hold on. You see how that slime done worked itself out? You can almost see through that okra. That's what you want, y'all. That's what you want. You don't gotta be scared of okra. Now, this time I come in, put my fresh ginger and some garlic. Yeah, work that all in there. And y'all, when I tell you it's budget friendly, I found out I ain't even have an onion in the pantry. So guess what I'm gonna use? It's just dehydrated onion. We gonna make it work, y'all. I told you about using what you got. Throw some of that all in there. It's gonna work, trust me. They say trust the process. Alright. Now, y'all, it's time to put them peas in. Here go the start of the show. Them chickpeas. Make sure you rinse them off a few times. Get that canned stuff off of them. And put them in here. And we just gonna let that work, y'all. You see that cook? And y'all, we got some potatoes. And I'm gonna put some carrots in here, y'all. And yeah, them carrots were 99 cents. So we still up under $10. Alright, y'all. Watch me work. That 1 can of tomato sauce. If you got some parade tomatoes or some fresh tomatoes, this the time, y'all. Yeah. You see it coming all together. Yeah. You're gonna work that all in there. Glad you with me. At this point right here, y'all, I gotta put a little season in it. So I like them onion soup packs, y'all. Found me an onion soup pack. You know, you get like 3 of them in a container for $1.25. So you can divide that how you want it. I like to work that in there. I like to put all my dry seasons in first, y'all. I like to build up. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to wait till a building is almost completed and try to go back and do the imperfections. I like to build up from the gate up. Then I got my little personal dry rub, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm filming with one hand, cooking with the other. Who you with? Talk to me. That's a little generous amount right there, y'all. We ain't gonna do nothing spectacular. That's all the season I'm gonna need. Because if you've been following my channel, you know when I did them turkey necks, I had a stock I made from it. You heard me? And I kept it, just like you would do a chicken stock. So I'm gonna put that turkey stock in here, y'all. And as you can see, y'all, it's a chickpea curry, but we don't have any what you call it, coconut milk. So I got some oat milk, extra creamy. Work that in there, like that right there. And that go to start the show right there, y'all. That's that homegrown turkey stock right there. I got 2 cups of it. And that oat milk, I did 1.5 cups. We gotta have enough room for these vegetables, y'all. We still got some more stuff to put in here. You know, and I was thinking about having it with some rice. How this look right here. Might just have a bowl of this right here, y'all. And call it a day. It's sure true. I'm gonna let this come up to a simmer right quick, y'all. And then we're gonna put them vegetables in. some carrots and some potatoes. You know, nothing too tough. Here we go, y'all. This is what I like to see right here. Oh, man. I'm gonna see, can I find me another spoon for y'all? See, can I pick up some of this old pot liquor? Yeah. Let me step back. Let me step back. Y'all see how that look? Ooh, wait. And it's gonna take your time thickening it up too, y'all. So we're gonna slow it back down. There go them carrots. There go them potatoes. Oh, y'all. This done turned to a vegetable stew, ain't it? Gonna have it over some rice, ain't it? I don't know, man. We gonna see how this go. But I'm sure liking the process. You gotta trust the process, y'all. Who you with? You with Mr.Ssippi Soul, y'all. Mr.Ssippi, best kept secret. And I stand on that. Show you right. Alright, y'all. The finished product. Well, I'm glad when the plan come together. You see how they stewed down nicely? Yeah, with the potatoes, the carrots, the okra, the chickpeas. And over here we got the honey ranch chicken legs, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Smoked to perfection. Yeah, that's that apple and cherry wood right there, y'all. If you're a smoke on the grill type of guy or girl, you know what I'm talking about. Pitmaster status, baby. And y'all see right here, I use this for my rice. So I'm finna plate it because I don't want to mess it up. And then I'll pull it off, y'all. Y'all follow me. Let's see, can we get this right? So we're going to go around the edge right there. You understand me? Yeah. Then we're going to come around on this side. You understand me? Right there, right there. We ain't going to worry about that. That play, y'all. It's clean. Then I'm going to get this little spoon right here. Right there, right there. And I'm just gonna lift up, y'all. Gonna put him in the sink. And look what we got right there, y'all. Look what we got. Y'all see it? It's a stool plate, y'all. It ain't meant to be pretty. I would have put it in a plate. I mean, this right here is a bowl. I don't know what I mean right now, but what I do know is I'm finna show y'all what it's looking like. I ain't even gonna wait on it. Hungry, y'all. Taste that curry, that jasmine rice, good texture. And y'all saw the piece of chicken that I want. That one right there. Hold on. Tell me that ain't tender. Talk to me. I'm right here. I ain't going nowhere. Y'all know what's going on. Let me get one more of these. One more spoon of this right quick. So I got a little of that okra in there too. Y'all have a good one. We gone.